So over the next couple of minutes we're going to have a look at how to get pictures from our camera into the computer. The first thing we do is we take the card from the camera and we put it into the computer, and a window opens, as you can see here, showing us that we can click on this folder and have a look at the files. Digital camera images, DSIM, and then the camera, and then inside that we will find the pictures. So we'll just move that a little bit to one side because we're going to need another window which is going to show where I'm going to put them on the computer. So on the right we're going to have the card, and on the left we'll have the computer. Now I'm going to come down to the computer and I'm going to select the C drive. I'm going to go to users. I'm going to select my name there from the users, select John, and that then shows me a list of my folders, and underneath there you can see pictures. So I can click on that, and those are all my pictures. Now I'm going to move this out of the way so we can see these two side by side. So that's the computer on the left and the card on the right. And I need a new folder here, so I right hand click to open the dialog which enables me to start a new folder, and I simply give that a name that's going to help me remember what these pictures are. So this is Surface Demo. So there's my new folder. It's come in alphabetically at the bottom of the list, so I'm going to move it towards the middle of the screen so you can see what's going on a bit better. There's my folder. I'm going to open it, and no surprises, since I've just made it, it's completely empty. Now if I then click on the window which is the card, the window on the right, and then our good old friend Control A selects all the pictures, and I can just drag and drop one picture and it will copy all of them across from the card onto the computer. Now remember that this is copying, it's not moving nor removing from the card. All of the pictures still stay on the card, but we are moving them to the computer so that if we wanted to clear them from the card in the future and use the card to take some new pictures on, we could do so. Only a few seconds remaining, and then all of these will have been copied across from the card to the computer. There they are. We've got them both now on the computer and on the card. And I'm going to come back over to the window which is the card, and I'm going to close that because I don't want any misunderstanding about what I'm working on. And when I've closed it, I'm actually going to take it out of the computer so that I'm not going to make any changes to any picture. Notice that said safely remove the hardware. Here it is. We'll select the one we want to remove, and now it says I can just pull the card out, which I'll do. And now I know that any changes that I make to these pictures will happen on the computer, and I've still got the original on the card if I want it. So let's have a quick look at these. Maximize the window. Yep, this is the set of pictures I expected to see. Let's enlarge it just to check that they're okay, and we'll have a look at a particular picture. Let's just scroll down a little till we find one, perhaps at the sound check or something like that. Let's have a look at that. Here we are. Double click, opens it up in a Windows application and gives us an opportunity to say, yep, those pictures on my computer are now absolutely fine. So that's the job done. So you put the card in, you open the card, you open a window to put the pictures on, you copy from the card to the computer, and when you've done that you can then take the card out and look at your pictures. Absolutely simple. It's as easy as remembering a password.